Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about select query. Here you can see I have write select all from the table name, let's say students, because I have a students table and semicolon. And let's say run this code. I mean, here you can see I'm fetching the result here, right? Student ID, student name, and let's say I want to add some uh, data at first so that I can actually show you the where statement and everything. Okay, so let me just add all of them and I will be actually back. Hello, welcome back. So here you can see I have added some a few data. Here you can see student ID, and let's say now I want to know the student name and email. So I will say here I actually don't want to fetch all the data, so I actually want to fetch only student name and specific column, right? Student underscore email. Okay, then I'm saying here that from students, if I say here like this, you can see student name and student email. Okay, and let's say I want to say here that okay, I want to select student name, email, let's say phone number only, phone underscore number from student table. And actually I'm going to say here where statement. Okay, where a student oops, where student underscore ID is equal to let's say 1001. I don't know the IDs exist or not, so let's check. Oops, here you can see we have to give a student underscore phone number because the column is not actually exist. Now it will actually show the result. Here you can see the ID is 102. If I show here the ID also, I'll say student underscore ID also, and now you can see here, you can see the ID is 102, right? And let's say here I'm going to say that is not equal to ID is not equal to 102. Now what it will do, it will give me all the values except the ID 102. Here you can see the result 101, 103, 102 is not here. So yeah, you can actually select use select query like this. You can use here different condition, it's up to you. You can you know uh, fetch all the data at a time, or you may be select the specific field name, specific column name. All right, so I hope you understand. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.